Hello everyone, welcome to Be Cloud Ready YouTube channel. In this channel, we bring a lot of discussion around tech, data, and also related to how people are making career switch. And in past few years, while training a lot of people online, physical, reskilling, what we have learned so far is that a lot of people, especially on business analyst side, they are being transitioning, or maybe their job in past 5 to 10 years is transitioning dramatically towards more of a Excel sheet or a knowing the business thing to data driven. So to put a more light into that, today I have my special guest Nancy. Hi Nancy.
Hi,
Welcome
Chandan.
to Be Cloud Ready.
Thank you for having me again.
So she's coming from business analyst background, and here she's going to explain some of her experience, how she is in a process of transitioning from a full-blown BA to a BA plus DA, mean data analytics, which is a key skill of it. Hi Nancy, could you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Thank you, Chandan. My name is Nancy. I worked as a business analyst and data analyst back home in my country as Cameroon. And since I came here, I'm trying to upgrade my skills. As time is moving with tech, things are moving forward, and the tech industry is growing, and data, we are amassing a lot of data, which needs us to have more updated skills. So I'm trying to update my skills as time is going to make myself more relevant in the industry.
Wow, cool. And that is a very fascinating story. And to be very honest, I'm meeting a lot of people from Africa, like name in Nigeria, uh, Cameroon, and one guy I met from he was from Tanzania, and I'm just every day in Toronto I meet a lot of people from there. So that is actually not a surprising thing that what you're saying that now a lot of people are looking for data like you, and I have a lot of people who are industry veterans as a BA, and now they are out of job, they are not able to get back because they do not have basic coding skill. So what kind of interview question people are asking nowadays?
So most of the traditional questions that they used to ask, like, do you understand the business? Can you create Excel sheets? These are no longer the questions. Rather, they are asking, do you understand the data? So which is quite different from what was asked initially. So one really has to opt their game to understand what is going on.
Wow. So again, I'm not totally surprised because so far in past 1.5 years or 2 years, I'm doing heavily, and pretty much every BA is talking the same thing. That business analyst, okay, you know, good, okay, you know the business. What do you know apart from business? Because now pretty much every business decision is no longer made using intuition, they're all made using data driven. So what are other questions they are looking for? Any kind of skill?
So they're requiring more advanced analytical skills. So it's not just enough to have Excel skills. They're asking for Python. They're asking for R. So really, you have to stretch and go a little bit to add or update your analytical skills.
Yeah, and that is the one thing because a lot of businesses, small to medium, even large enterprises, they have been doing their data analytics mostly on spreadsheet, Excel. And that is good. Don't get me wrong, that is an amazing tool. But the only problem is it doesn't scale. Once you have to get your data from different sources, and remember in data, data is never clean. Data is always dirty. You have to clean the data. It means you have to know basic data wrangling, data cleaning. And nowadays, and the why they are looking for Python because traditionally you always used to get data in a CSV format, which is very Excel friendly. But now you are getting data as a JSON format or different heterogeneous format. In that, they are looking for someone who can know basic coding skill, which can wrangle the quickly data, and eventually you may or may not put in an Excel sheet. So there is a lot of work is to be done with a coding skill that you're before you go to the Excel. So no tool is good enough in today's market. So you have to augment that skill using some or other form of Python skills.
So that's why, in addition to what I have, I was researching what other skills I can add in addition to what I have, and I came across your Python skills. So I'm excited. I also read about the benefits of Python, and it's definitely a skill that I want to add to what I already have to make myself more competitive in the market. So I look forward to learning and acquiring the Python skills in addition to any other advanced analytical skills your school offers.
Cool. Yeah, and that is the main reason we have our this blockbuster Python for analytics and Python for data science. two different courses, and often people don't confuse between data science and data analytics. They are a little bit different. That we have a webinar on that, you can check on that. So in that course, we specifically design what is needed in the job market right now, rather than knowing a theoretical skill. And again, you can go to anywhere. They are talking usually in many of the courses. What we saw, the motivation was that they take some sample data which is clean and perfect. They just do some kind of Panda library and do some basic analytics and give you the job. But the problem is what they don't teach, how to clean the data. That is 80% of the job, and that is where we focus when we train on. We first train the basic fundamentals of Python, and then how to apply those principles to clean the data to get to a state where you can apply a model, or maybe just do analytics, or maybe run a SQL. So these kind of skills, we are looking for that. And in past 3 years, we have taught people from all walks of life, people from 19-year-old to 65-year-old, and including people from completely different heterogeneous background all across the world. And this is the reason you can see in our website, the testimonial says it all, that it was just what they were looking for, not more, not less. And again, Nancy, thank you for sharing the experience with us, and thank you everybody for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel, and all information will be on the section below. Thank you, and have a good day.
Thank you, Chad.
Thank you.